Chase Freedom Credit Card. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about that credit card from Chase and the fact that now is one of the best times to get a credit card from Chase. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video, the Chase Freedom Credit Card. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to credit cards, Chase is definitely one of those banks where you definitely want to get a credit card with them. As a matter of fact, if you are interested in getting a credit card from Chase, but you're not sure, this video is going to be very encouraging because Chase is offering a really good sign-up offer right now for their Chase Freedom credit card. As a matter of fact, I had this credit card in the past and I think it's a really solid card. So if you have no relationship with Chase, now would be a really good time to get a relationship with Chase. And if you are skeptical because your credit score is not quite where you want it to be before applying for this card, then I would suggest getting a checking account with Chase. Now, if your credit score, your FICO score is not at least 680, your actual FICO score, then you may want to wait until your score gets to that point. But while you're waiting for your score to get to that point, what you could do is you could open a Chase personal checking account that will allow you to get $200 sign-up bonus if you have direct deposit. It's pretty simple. You could Google it. You can Google Chase checking sign-up bonus, and you'll see that there's a $200 offer if you have direct deposit for that account. And I think you have to have at least $500 of direct deposit per month, which is pretty simple. So what you could do while you're waiting for your credit score to get to at least a 680 FICO score is just to establish a relationship through Chase or with Chase rather, with the Chase checking account where you'll get that free $200 for having direct deposit. But anyway, in this video, like I said, I wanted to talk to you guys about the Chase Freedom credit card because this credit card is actually very solid. So initially back in 2017, I had the Chase Freedom Unlimited card and I liked that card quite a bit. I think at the time that I signed up for it, the sign-up bonus was like $150 after spending $500. So this sign-up bonus now with the Chase Freedom card is actually $200 after spending $500. So if you're new to credit card or credit card sign-up bonuses, this is the perfect time to jump on this card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on the website real quickly because I want to show you guys all the details in regards to the Chase Freedom credit card and why you should consider getting it. So I have on the screen right now, I'm at the Chase website, and as you can see, this is a new offer. The fact that you can get $200 bonus plus 5% cash back on grocery stores, and this is really good. So the Chase Freedom credit card is a 5% cash back card, but it has different categories. So it has different categories every quarter. So there are 4 quarters in a year, so it'll have the opportunity, you'll have the opportunity to get 5% cash back on that category for each quarter, and then after that, if it's outside of that particular category, you'll get 1% cash back on all your purchases. Now, I know some of you guys may not want to deal with that and having to keep up with the categories, but I think it's a lot easier for you to accumulate a lot of cash back using a 5% cash back card such as the Chase Freedom card. So that's why I wanted to share this video with you guys. But the reason why now is a great time to sign up for this card is the fact that you are able to get 5% cash back at grocery stores and up to $12,000. That is huge. So in other words, you are basically going to have the ability to earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases for the entire year, or not even the entire year, but up to $12,000. So that's actually really powerful because normally you get 5% cash back on grocery store purchases for just 3 months. So this is a very good time if you're considering getting an account with Chase and you don't necessarily have a credit account with them. This is a really good credit card to get because it's kind of one of their beginner credit cards, like a foot in the door type of thing. So this is a solid card to get. So as you guys can see here on the screen, it says $200 bonus plus 5% cashback grocery store offer. So it says you can earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Now that's really, really cool. And then the 5% cashback on grocery store purchases does not include Target or Walmart. And that's really not that big of a deal. I mean, I know it's kind of a bummer because, like, if you're like me and you see value in shopping at Walmart, not so much Target, but I feel like the prices are cheaper at Walmart as far as groceries are concerned. Yeah, I would be a little bummed about that, but they're going to match 5% of your grocery store purchases up to $12,000 in the first year. That is really, 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 really big. And the reason why it's so big too is because even in the 5% cashback categories that normally you get for the Chase Freedom credit card, you're only able to get 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in purchases for those 3 months. So the fact that it's $12,000 that they're going to match cash back, that's pretty cool. A lot of people will be spending a lot of monies on groceries, especially if you have a family. So this is going to be very, very beneficial to you. Another thing that is insanely awesome is the fact that you're going to get that $200 sign-up bonus. $200 after spending just $500 is a really, really legitimate bonus. It's very easy to spend $500 in a 3-month period. All you have to do is just pay the bills that you normally have, like your cell phone bill, your light bill, your cable bill, your internet bill. Trust me, you're already at $500 with just those bills right there. So this is something that's really cool. What I like about it is the fact that there is no annual fee for this credit card, which is also always legit. No annual fee is perfect with me for sure. And then your cashback rewards don't expire. Now, when it comes to getting cashback with the Chase Freedom credit card, yes, you're going to get points that you can then redeem towards cashback. You don't have to redeem it towards cashback. You could choose to hold on to those points for a while, especially if you're wanting to get other credit cards that Chase offer. Let's say the Chase Sapphire Preferred or even the Reserve, where you can actually use the points that you're getting from your cashback credit card, the Chase Freedom card, and you could use those points if you get another travel card from Chase. You could use those points towards travel, which may be a better bang for your buck, but that's just food for thought. So like I said here, you are able to earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 normally in combined purchases for each category, right? So once again, there are 4 categories throughout there's 4 quarters throughout the year, and this is just another reason why I think it's insanely valuable that you're going to get 5% cash back at grocery stores for the entire first year, and up to $12,000. So this is a real opportunity for you guys to make a substantial amount of money. This is pretty huge because there aren't a lot of credit cards out there that offer a 5% cash back on grocery stores, and certainly not a credit card that has no annual fee. So off the top of my head, I can think of American Express, the Blue Cash Everyday Preferred. That particular card, I think you can get 6% on grocery store purchases, but there's an annual fee for that card. That annual fee is $95, I believe. So the fact that you're able to get 5% cash back on grocery store purchases for up to $12,000 for the first year of having the card really sets you up to make a substantial amount of cash back using this card. So I'm really hyped about this card just because it's a solid card, and it actually was a card that I ended up transferring to. I did a product change. So I had the Chase Freedom Unlimited card initially back in March or April 2017. This was even before I started my YouTube channel. I started this channel back in 2018 of March. So I had the Chase Freedom Unlimited card just because it was kind of enticing. It has the 1.5% cash back. And then I quickly kind of figured out that, you know what, it may be more beneficial for me to have a 5% cashback category card. So if you're on the fence between the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom card, just the fact that you're able to get that 5% cash back on grocery stores for up to $12,000 in the first year, I think makes it a no-brainer that this card is the card that you should absolutely get. Okay, because that 5% that you're going to get back on grocery store purchases will certainly outweigh the 1.5% that you get back on all your purchases on the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. So I thought it was important for me to shine some light on this card just for that reason alone. I know that there might be a lot of people kind of on the fence between the two cards, but I think that this is the more solid card between the two, and definitely right now it is the most solid card between the two, just because of that 5% cashback that you get. And I keep mentioning that a lot because that is huge. That is huge. As a matter of fact, you can see here on the website that there are card member reviews. So you have 14,876 reviews for the Chase Freedom credit card. Just to give you an idea, the difference between the Chase Freedom credit card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So the Chase Freedom currently has, as far as reviews are concerned, 10,017, right? So that's the difference there. I mean, you can see, that's a pretty big chunk. Now, of course, a lot of people are satisfied with these credit cards, and I think that's the overall thing, is the fact that these credit cards are pretty freaking solid. So as you can see here, I'm looking at it on the screen with you guys. You do have the ability to earn that 5% cash back on groceries as well on the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. But I think the fact that with the Chase Freedom card, you have the ability to earn 5% cash back on different categories in the quarters per quarter. I think that gives it the advantage between the two cards. So if you're on the fence, hopefully this video made it a little bit easier for you to choose the Chase Freedom credit card, just because I think it's a solid card. I think it's a better card between the two. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like the video if you like the video. Also, share the video with somebody that may find it helpful. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and we actually have live streams on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central, so you can join the live stream at 7 p.m. Central Time on How to Build Credit TV. Come in the community, ask your questions, get your questions answered live on the live stream, and it would be a pleasure to have you in the live stream. Once again, that's Mondays at 7 p.m. Central. Thank you so much for watching this video. And once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.